Hello students. Today we are going to talk about adversarial search and game theory. Okay. What is adversarial search? See, before getting into adversarial search, we'll first look at what is classical search. In classical search, BFS, in previous videos you would have seen breadth first search or A star search, where a single agent operates. Okay, that is the first point that you should know. Like example, finding a shortest path on a map, finding best route from point A to point B. This single agent can find the best route using A star search. It will find the best route. In adversarial search, it is used for a different purpose. There are two players involved. Two, one will be an agent, another will be a human or another agent. Okay, like playing chess, tic-tac-toe, where it's not a single agent. You are up against an intelligent person, a human. It could be a human against an agent, AI agent, where the explicit goal is to make you lose. So every move you make, the agent will have its own options and it will move accordingly. This is adversarial search is used in these games. So how does it do it? It provides a mathematical framework for an AI agent to make decisions in these competitive environments. Okay. What are the types of games that we are solving using adversarial search? In A, primarily targets game defined by four key properties. One is deterministic, second is fully observable, two player, zero sum. What is deterministic? No randomness or chances is involved. When you roll a dice, you don't know what number is going to come. When you play cards, you don't know what card you will get. That is randomness. So that is not used. That game's adversarial search is not used. The outcome should depend strictly on player moves, like chess. Okay, that is deterministic. Second is both players can see the entire state of the board at all times, fully observable. Okay. Third is two players are playing. Exactly, two players are playing. Either human agent compete against each other. Fourth one is zero sum, which is it is pure competition. If one player's gain equal to other player's loss, if player 1 wins, player 2 loses. Okay, in these kind of properties are there, adversarial search can be implemented. So we know in previous video I will explain any search, any AI search involves mathematical formalization. Here, how does it do? In these games, adversarial search is designed for competitive environment where an opponent actually tries to minimize your score. Okay, games are mathematically modeled using state space, legal actions, transition rules, initial states, terminal conditions, and final scores. Okay, we'll see all these in detail in coming videos. How does it actually, how does it do? It uses Minimax algorithm. Okay, thank you for watching. You will learn a lot in Minimax algorithm also, how it actually implements it. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.